tignan natin magiging resulta ng ating 11 a.m. small town wrestling draw dito po sa Ciudad de Manila City. Ngayong araw na Miyerkules, September 18, 2024, para po sa ating draw number 3408, 11 a.m. small town wrestling draw. Pinamagaling po muli sa ating panel judges at sa ating mga AAC representative. Kami po from Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Let's now play the 11 a.m. small town wrestling draw. Okay, the first winning number is the number 30. So, ipapalik ko
pwede.
Para naman po sa
patama tayo dyan. Basta wag lang lalagpas ng 30.
Our second winning number is the number 20.
30-20.
Once again, recapping our 11 a.m. small town at the winning combination, we have the numbers 30.
Matulog ako
Congratulations po sa ating winners.
Dami kong patayan yan. Tumbok 30 sa 20. Tingnan natin yung sa monitor ha. 30-20 pa rin. Okay, 30-20.